Okay. Had a quick audio test. I'm gonna check everything out, see what works and what doesn't. We're gonna go from here to home page. We'll go here to go to workbench, right down here so we can work. Me in the corner right up there. Full room right here. You can see the whole thing from wall to wall. And go to wood shop. Go right out. With me? Let's go. Okay. A CNC machine. ShopSmith saw. My little rolly cart with all my part tools on it. My overhead router and drill press. Over here I got my joiner, table saw, sander. Got my resaw saw here. Got my sand flea right here. And it's also a thickness sander under here. Got it all going. I think I might have one more camera in here on this side and then one for that side. See if I can get it to focus across here. We'll try it. See. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. That's the little CNC we cut the screens on for the square guys. So yeah, this is what it looks like. All my jigs on the wall and templates on the wall, and yeah, we got to work with. So let's get on at it. Let's head on in shop. Yep, back in. Okay, we're in the guitar shop now, and we'll go to work. Make something here in the next few days, okay? Y'all be good. Hang with me. I got to get used to looking at that camera where I put it over there because it's a long way from where I'm at now. I get used to that. Y'all be good. Take care. See you next time.